Hello friends, today I am going to unbox the new Brother sewing machine LX3817A, lightweight full-size sewing machine. It has 17 stitches, 4 sewing feet included, 4-step auto size buttonhole. Wow, this beautiful machine, look at it, it's so pretty guys, with the beautiful print. Brother, guys, this machine is a very good company machine because Brother, being the very famous brand, is known for its better quality and lifelong guarantee. I trust only Singer and Brother machines because they are lifelong and they come with your warranty. And yes, if you want to resell them, they can go on a good price level. You can exchange them if you have any issues. Their company is very good, guys. The company is really good, and the needle is also very good and lasting long. So it's petty pack, guys. I did not open it. It's just I did not open it. It was there for a week now. I did not open it. I wanted to make a video on this. So it came in a nice big box with a lot of balloon bags to help for shipping with care. Guys, look at this. Brother Earth, working with you for a better environment. So they have eco-friendly material use for this machine. So, and also they tell to use Brother accessories. I have got one of them, guys. I have bought 100 needles with bobby pins. And yes, it's lightweight, full-size swing machine. Let's see it from a side. This model, okay, perfect for everyday on-the-go swing and mending. Wow. Accessories includes every starting essential, guys. Yes, it includes accessories too. Threading, easy to follow the threading diagram. Okay, there's a diagram given inside to follow. So it has 3 types, guys: the essential, enhanced, and the elite. And this model is the essential one, and it cost me around $85, guys. $85, and there was a discount of 10%, which cost me like $75. So let's see behind. Easy bobbin winder. Oh wow, so you can wind your bobbin like this right here. The bobbin winder. Easy stitch selector. Yes, guys, this is the 17 different stitches you can see. Starts from here. This is the basic stitch. Oh wow, guys, I love the different types of stitches. Mostly I'll use the 11 and 6, 7. But yeah, you can use different types you like. Easy stitch selector, you can just move the button and you'll get to know which stitch you want to select. Reverse swing lever. Wow, so it has a lever here for reverse stitching. This is the lever right here. I like the print here. It's not like the boring prints. It has different print. Like it's different. It looks cute. Okay, what is given here, right? Upper thread tension control dial. Okay. Free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves. All right. And what is this? Jam resistant quick set drop in top bobbin. Okay. And 25-year limited parts warranty, guys. Oh my god. What? 25-year limited parts warranty. Guys, I told you this is lifelong. This is the best decision I made. And look here what they said. Accessories, these are the accessories included. Zigzag foot on the machine, the buttonhole foot, A size, the zipper foot, the button swing foot, a screwdriver, okay, to fix any loose parts, bobbin, 4 bobbins, a darning plate, okay, needle set, yes, 3 pieces per set, a foot controller, guys, if you need, some people need foot controllers too, instructional DVD, yes, very required. So it's made in Vietnam, and yes, it's from the brother company, the well-known corporation international. Very good. And it has a serial number, guys, so if anything happens, you can always call them and let them know that this is a problem, and then they will help you out. This is the serial number, guys. I did not buy it blindly. I did a lot of reviews. I searched for reviews online. I checked many other different brands, and thereafter deciding for a week and above, I put my hands on this. So yes, when you buy a sewing machine, you got to be very careful. You got to check the reviews, how others felt about it, what company you're using, because you don't want something which lasts for few weeks or months, and then it's just waste of time and your money. So it's better if you invest your money in something which can be lifelong, and yes, you can pass on to your kids, or even if you can pass on to someone who needs it. So yes, it says 25-year limited parts warranty, so I think it's the best thing. It's lightweight, guys. It's not heavy at all, but it's the best quality. And it says here we are to help, so it has the number given, so you can save this number in your phone for later use. You can also download their apps for better usage and finding out how to use every little thing in this, guys. Every little thing. A machine has so many different ways you can stitch, and it has hidden ideas what you can do, so you can always check through their app. Super bright LED, yes, this is what we want, guys. Sometimes the stitches, it's difficult to see where you want to do things, or you want to put the thread in the needle, so it has a LED light if it's a dark working area, if it's not easily seen what you're doing. So this is the best thing, LED light work area. So yes, guys, this is I like this machine, and definitely I will use it, and I'll give you a review on this. So for now, thank you for watching my video.